Yo chat, how are you? How are you doing, guys? I'm finally live. I need to pause the stream quickly. Let me go over to trading view for 1 second here. Wait, why is my stream frozen? Oh, there we go. I was in a sell before, but I closed it because of the market open. And guys, I missed an insane trade. I'm a little bit tilted about this, so yeah, I'm gonna look for one more trade probably today. Kinda tilted, I missed an insane long here. I was even awake. Yeah, it was such a quick move though. It was an insanely quick move down here. Wait, I'm gonna show you quickly. So actually I wanted the long here at 621. It was 10 minutes after open. Yeah, I kind of missed this, and then we didn't get any clean entry anymore. Like this was, we could have entered here, but this was really risky. This was a really risky trade as well. So yeah, I decided not to take any trade anymore here. But I kind of tilted, chat, that I missed this. This would have been insane 4-hour trade already. Like this is crazy. So let's see what this market open is gonna bring us, chat. I'm gonna look for one more sell. So I'm gonna look for a sell probably here at 6, wait. Oh, this is not the level. Yeah, so I wasn't a sell before here. We are at resistance right now. We are actually at resistance right now. But yeah, I'm gonna, chat, I'm gonna quickly post my stream. And then I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna go to trading view though. Because you cannot see the order flow when I'm on X and stuff like this. But kind of unlucky, chat. I'm kind of tilted about this long. This would have been such a nice long, eh? But we cannot change it. Wait, let me go to ChatGPT. Because I already prepared everything to post, I think, yesterday. Just need to quickly find this. Where was it? There we go. Did some preparation this time, so it should be a lot faster, hopefully. I'm gonna post on X. Yeah, but kind of unlucky, chat. This would have been a trade of the day already. I mean, this with this trade we would have started the week insane, like. So it is what it is. Now we just gotta wait for a new setup. Cannot change it now. Where is it? Right. And by the way, chat, we have the massive giveaway running on Friday. So I'm giving away 10 50k accounts. So make sure to type !giveaway in the chat to join the giveaway. We're giving away massive amounts of accounts this week. There we go. Yeah, let's see. I think we can still find one clean trade today, though. Together. When did you make that 382 trade? Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm gonna show you everything. 150k. FundedNext. There we go. Posting this on X. Done. Tweet is kind of going viral from the giveaway. It's crazy. And now I want to post it here. Actually gonna use the same image here. Alright, I think I did it, chat. I think I actually did it. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's see. But I'm gonna go over to the order flow now and let me read the chat. We are pumping right now a little bit. So how was, let me read the chat here. Good, yo, good evening, after morning or whatever. It is 2:30 right now in Switzerland. Elof, welcome to the stream. You are a new viewer here, that's cool. So yeah, chat, I'm kind of annoyed. That I missed this long here. It was such a... I was looking for longs on Friday as well, but you know this, we had one stop loss on Friday. I was looking for longs actually today as well after the market opened, but I didn't manage to enter, so I'm gonna show you quickly where I tried to enter. So I wanted to enter here, I was thinking about it. I actually hoped for one push lower here to this entry that I posted. So yeah, I didn't take this trade sadly. This would have been insane for our trade. So you would be up 8k today already from this long. I would be up 8k today, chat, if I actually took the long, risking 2k. So yeah. So yeah, to join the giveaway, chat, you need to sign up through my FundedNext link. I'm giving away, so listen to this, I'm giving away 10 15k accounts, 15k Forex accounts. And you need to be active on the Discord. This is another thing that FundedNext wants to see. So you need to be active on Discord, and on Friday I'm gonna choose 10 winners on stream. So we're gonna choose 10 winners on Friday. Let me see how many people joined the giveaway here. I'm just waiting right now for a trade. Batched, welcome back, Batched. How are you? Elf Musk, also a new viewer here. We have a lot of new viewers, that's cool. But yeah, kinda unlucky, chat. But I'm gonna show you something quickly. So I also took this long here. I was in a long, but this was kinda a rage trade. So this is why I closed it. So I wanted to enter here at 621, and I went into the long at here because I saw this nice reaction, but then I closed it because it was really risky. I mean, my stop loss would have been around here from this trade, so it wasn't a really clean setup. Yeah, so I closed this long, would have been in profit now as well, obviously. Would have been nicely in profit now as well, but it was the way to go to close this actually. The only good trade would have been here, like at 621, honestly. So we gotta wait today and find another one, chat. Crypto Water is also back. Let's see some aggressive selling. Yeah, also hope for lower. I hope for lower for pump higher, chat. You gotta type this Trismegistus, or how you pronounce your name. You gotta type it like this, exclamation mark giveaway. And you have to be signed up with my link, chat. That is really important. If you're not signed up with my link, you're not gonna get the account, I think. At least that's how it was with the previous giveaways. So yeah, chat, we're gonna go to the order flow now. We're gonna watch the order flow here develop and look for a trade. What the heck did I just do? Oops, there we go. Yeah, this is how you join the giveaway. And also, chat, if you want to win these accounts, you need to be active in Discord. We will check this. FundedNext actually said this is the most important thing, that you also stay active in the Discord, chat. So share your charts, share your trades. It's really simple. And type the exclamation mark giveaway in the chat. And on Friday, we choose 10 winners. On Friday, I'm going to choose 10 winners live on stream. So you'll see all the people that win. But I'm going to choose all the winners live on stream, chat. Let me see how many people joined actually now. I want to quickly see this. Oh, it's so annoying, I cannot do anything else you cannot see the order flow. I quickly want to see this here, how many people are in the giveaway. Where is it? Giveaways? I hope it still works. Oh no, wait, you have to type the word again, chat. It was reset, so you have to type the word again now. So type exclamation mark giveaway to join. But we have 16 people from the last stream already in the giveaway, so it is working. There we go. So that's good to know. I need to actually check this every time before I go live. If you are already in the list, so if you type it once, you will be in the list already for the whole week. So this is how it works. I'm gonna if you type it once, you don't have to type it again. How are you, Nivi? Yeah, chat. Today is kind of unlucky for me. Missed an insane long. So we're gonna wait for one more. Maybe we're gonna look for a short higher. I mean, 6752 looks really interesting for a short, by the way. Strong pump so far. I'm glad I closed my short. Here, chat. Might also be a boring day, yeah, probably. Man, but this long would have been so crazy. It would have been so crazy, Irv. I would have made 8k on the long already. So I'm gonna show you quickly how much I would be up, actually. I mean, even on this entry I would be quite up a lot, but this was the right way to close this. So this was market open here. No, this is the market open candle right here, as you can see. So we pumped up to 6640 actually. From 610, which was actually my entry, would have been down here. But this was impossible to trade. So why is Nightbot keep banning people? Man, I need to... Chat, does anyone know how I can remove Nightbot? Like, I removed him from the mods, but it doesn't go away. Well, that's strange. Alright, so this would have been the entry, chat, 6621 with 2 contracts. So we would be up big, chat. We would be up a lot already. 8.7k, so this is kind of tilting here. But it's not, it is how it is, chat. It was a decent trade, but the entry that I actually wanted to trade was just hit at market open on the first candle, which is impossible to trade. Did you take any trades, Irv? Did you actually take any trades? Strong candle here. So I hope to see 6750. I'm probably gonna go into short here, chat. 6750 looks like a really good short. Did any one of you take some nice trades already? I wish I were in this long. I would be just chilling in this long, actually. Alex also joined the stream. Exclamation mark giveaway. Yeah, type exclamation mark giveaway to join the giveaway. You only need to type it once, chat. And on Friday we choose 10 winners on stream. So on Friday I'm gonna give away 150k in funding on FundedNext. We're gonna have 10 winners. Bob, you're pumping. Good thing I closed my short here, chat. And actually also another strong resistance level is gonna be 6720, which we are actually about to hit. This is a technical level only though. We are pumping like crazy. Good thing I closed my short. That was good though. Let me see if you guys are in the giveaway now. These 2 new guys. Yeah, we have 20. Wow, we already have 20 people now in the giveaway. Crazy. So it is working. Alex, you are also in the giveaway now. And Elof, you are also in the giveaway. Now you only need to be active in the Discord. And on Friday, I'm gonna give away 10 accounts on stream. So Friday's gonna be big. What is this pump right now, chat? We just went up 20 points on New York Open, basically. I mean, we need only one clean trade for the day. And then I'm happy. Oh, this long would have been so nice, chat, though. It would have been so nice. It was kind of obvious that we're gonna pump as well, because on Friday, you remember, I was also looking for longs on Friday. And we saw a really strong dump on Friday. So I was kind of expecting us to go higher already on Monday. Really should have just longed 621. Yeah, 6751 is really a strong level. I'm actually gonna place that short right now. So I'm gonna place this trade quickly. I mean, this is the main resistance level for the bulls, actually. If we lose this trade, we're probably gonna go much higher. Alright, so if this plays, nice. I'm also maybe 6730 looks like a really strong resistance level as well, chat. This is only technical though, look at this. So we have these wicks here, 1 hour wicks. Right here. And we have the anchored VWAP as well, which was actually almost perfectly retested twice last week as well. Followed by a massive dump. So 6726 looks interesting and 6750. Def XYZ is also in the stream. Man, we have a lot of people joining from X, that's crazy. We are about to pump into this level. But I'm not gonna trade this probably. It's a little bit risky, I guess. Or should we risk one contract trade here? I had one contract open before on the short that I took. Wait, how much? Let me see quickly. I'm kind of considering risking one contract only here. On 6726. Even though I would love to see 6750 hit, chat. I'm probably just gonna wait for 6750 here. Well, let's see the order flow. If you see bearish CVD here, I'm probably gonna short this. I'm gonna give it more time though. Is that index futures? This is S&P 500 futures. I traded on FundedNext and on Top Step and on Lucid. So these are futures. Yo bro, I texted you quite some time ago regarding templates you use. Would appreciate if you could give me a reply, bro. I do not share my templates, mate. It took me a lot of time to create these, but you can create them yourself. I do not want to share this yet. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna make one template for you guys. We'll see. But I kind of don't want to share this because it took me so much time to create this. You know what I mean? But if you watch my stream, KD, if you watch my stream often, I will post my levels. So I post the levels from the order flow as well. And on the TradingView chart that I shared yesterday on Discord, you can also see the order flow levels. So if you watch the stream actively, you will know my levels all the time. And then you can actually also save you the extra charts subscription and everything, which costs like $200 a month anyways. Oh chat, this would have been an insane long. But the most important thing is you should never get tilted if you miss a trade like this. I actually had the same 2 weeks ago, on Monday as well, where I missed an insane trade. The market open was really strange as well, actually. Kind of confused me. Like this market open. This is the market open candle here. You can see with a massive pump from here up to here actually, and then we dumped again a little bit. It was a really strange market open candle. What are the levels that you posted? Daily key and 1 hour. These are order flow levels, and it's really simple to look at them. So if they are below, if there are levels below, I look for longs, and if they are above, I want to look for shorts there. But I do not trade every level. It really depends. This is why it's important to watch the streams as well, because I do not trade every single level that is on my chart. It also depends on the reaction we get from the level and yeah, on the structure in general, but mainly the reaction I want to see. But most of these levels will always have a strong reaction most of the time. But it's really simple. There's basically support and resistance levels. So wait, I'm actually going to explain it quickly. So I shared this chart here in Discord for free. So let's say there's a level here. This was also a level that I actually shared yesterday, but it was instantly hit on market open. You couldn't trade this, even though it was hit to the dollar. But this, for example, before it was hit, this would have been a long. These are longs here, down here, and up here. These are interesting short levels. all these lines are interesting short levels. This is how you have to look at it. So here I want to look for shorts, and down there at these levels I want to look for longs. So really easy to understand actually. How many people are in the giveaway? We have 22 people already. That's crazy. A lot of people from X, I think. Actually, chat 6726 might actually be really interesting for a short. So we're gonna look at the reaction once we hit that level. But yeah, we are up a little bit today. It's basically nothing though. We're up $380, but that's actually nothing for 500k. So I hope we can find 1 or 2 good trades today. That would be really cool. Alex, you only have to type it once. You only have to type exclamation giveaway once, but you can obviously type it more if you want. It's good for the algorithm. Do you use kind of like AI backed or EA? No, I trade manually, fully manually. I use orderflow basically to trade, and also TradingView. So I do technical analysis compared with orderflow, but I don't trade with AI. Like I can really, on funded accounts, it's like using EAs and AI stuff is really hard, chat. I also try to create one myself. It's really difficult. Also the strategy that I trade, you cannot really code like a bot to trade the same way I do. It's impossible. I also try to like automate the strategy, but it's not possible. Because I don't trade like every level that I have on my chart. And if I would build an AI, it would just trade every single level, which I don't really want. So like teaching context and order flow to an AI is really hard. I don't know if you can even do this actually. It's so relaxing song in the background. Yeah, I know. I love this song. And it has no copyright, so it's really good for streaming. Alex, how did you find my stream? You are new here. I haven't seen you. And also Elof Musk, how did you find my stream? Probably you guys are from X, right? And in 1 month, chat, I can apply for the YouTube partnership. So let's see. I hope this channel will get accepted. I hope my channel will get accepted. That would be really good for the algorithm as well and for streaming. How are you all, guys? How are you guys? Yeah, we are chilling right now. I'm waiting for one more trade. But I don't want to trade here yet. We gotta give it more time. It's only 30 minutes after New York Open. Those indicators, this is an order flow software. So basically what you see here, you see the real-time data. So you have to pay for this data here. Everyone has to pay for this. And on TradingView, you don't have the real-time data, and you cannot see like inside of the candle what actually is happening. So here I can actually see how many people are buying. On the left side, you can see the sellers, and on the right side here, you can see the buyers. And these are all market buyers and sellers. So for example, here at 6712, we had 2.8k sellers and 3k buys in contracts. So these are a lot, like these are ES contracts. It's order flow, so it's not really indicators. Yeah, that's a big difference. I mean, there are indicators on here, but it's an order flow software. Earth, you also use Excel charts, I think, right? All this long chat, all this long would have been insane, like an insane start of the week. I really love it when I start Monday green. It's like the best thing, mentally as well. If you have a green day at the first day of the week. Earth, did you take any trade today? Or are you also waiting? Which trades are you looking for? Oh, we got some new subs, chat. I didn't even notice this. Let me actually redo this. So we have LJ Barnes that subbed, and we have X Crone. What is the name? X Crone Atomic. All right. So we have some new subs. Thank you for subbing, guys. Stop loss short here. Oh, you were in a short. I kind of want to go into a short as well today. Actually, I think we can see lower. Wow, we just hit the 1 hour level, chat. I might actually go into one contract sell here, chat. I'm only going to risk $100. But I'm going to wait for 626 here. So I'm going to risk $100 on. This is a really small trade. But we can actually leave this running. I just placed an order. I just placed one contract order on 726, chat. And if you lose it, it's fine. I'm gonna enter one more higher then. I'm only risking $100 on each account here, so it's basically nothing. So let's see if this gets filled. Wait, I'm gonna show you the trade. Gonna show you the trade that I just placed. This is a risky one, chat. Don't take this with a lot of contracts, please. This is like not... It's a good trade, but it's... We can also go higher. So I placed the sell here at this 1 hour level, at this wick. And yeah, I'm gonna hold this for a long time, probably. Well, this is the take profit here. And I risk $100 for each account, so I risk 1k on all 10 accounts. And I have one more sell where I risk 2k here. So yeah. We're risking $300, 3k basically on both these trades across all accounts. We are pumping into this level soon. It will get filled soon, chat. I'm gonna wait for this here. 726. This is a nice technical level actually for the bears also. We kinda need to hold this. I mean, we kinda need to stay below this. Oh nice, it's also the very high here. I love to see it. I'm gonna risk one trade here, only with one contract though, chat. So small risk on this short, because we can pump much higher today. You trade only S&P 500, good question. Yeah, I trade mainly ES actually. I do also trade Forex though. We're gonna do some Forex swing trading streams in the future. I'm gonna trade Forex soon on like, but I'm gonna stick to ES as well obviously. I plan on doing like 3 or 4 Forex streams each month, where you can trade gold and other stuff like this. So yeah. Would you guys be interested in this? Or would you rather only watch me trade ES? But I trade ES every day, Alex, so yeah, I'm not gonna stop streaming ES for sure. It's like the main futures pair that I trade right now. Oh, come on chat, can you please go to my entry? This is a we hit the 1 hour level already, the open, but I want to see this wick filled actually. But we hit the 1 hour open, so we can actually maybe see a dump from here as well. But I do think we're gonna go higher. We also have the previous month revamp here. This is gonna be a short, a small short, chat though. 96 contracts, yeah, that's crazy. There are whales trading ES. This is also a chat why I love to trade ES. It is like one of the highest volumes that's traded. And you want a lot of volume. This is really important, by the way. I started trading crypto. And what I had to do there, like when trading altcoins especially, you always had to look at the volume. Because some of these altcoins didn't have a lot of volume. That's the most important thing that you want to look at when you trade a pair. So it should have a lot of volume. And liquidity, obviously, then the pair is really good to trade. And ES is like perfect for this. The levels are really respected. Thank you for your answer, no problem. But I can read. So guys, I can assume a lot of you guys trade futures as well on prop firms. So I can really recommend you guys trade micro ES futures. It's really, really nice to trade. So it's basically my favorite pair. I only trade this on my funded accounts. So micro ES futures is what I trade. Nice, we're pumping, chat. I'm only risking 1k on this trade though. I'm only gonna risk 1k on this trade, chat. So 6726, we need to go a bit higher for my entry to fill. This is gonna be only with one contract, but we can still make 5k by the way. 3 to 5k with this trade. If we see a big dump, we can still make a lot of money, even though it's only one contract. And I don't know, chat, the market is kind of strange right now because, so let me quickly show you this. This is why I'm kind of annoyed that I also didn't get into the long, because we are actually above this anchored VWAP again and back into this massive value low here. So we are back into this whole value low. So we can actually go much higher here. So we need to also be careful with shorts, because if we see a breakout here, we can go much higher. This is why I don't want to risk too much on shorts. So we gotta be careful with shorts as well this week, because we have seen a big correction to the downside already. And you guys know what ES can do when you see a big pump. So yeah, this is why I would have loved to be in the long from here. But I would have closed this by now. I would have surely closed this long by now. I mean, can we hit my entry though? This is gonna be interesting. I think we're gonna go up there, kinda sure. Thank Dolphin, welcome to the stream. For Tose with this stop loss, but I mean it's okay, it was my strategy, so actually good. Yeah. As long as it fits your strategy, it's fine if you lose trades, obviously. But we have to be careful with shorts as well, chat. This is why I don't want to risk too much on these shorts. I wish, chat, I wish I would have taken this long. I mean, it was so obvious. Because usually, chat, if I lose a trade, and we lost it, we had a stop loss on a long on Friday before the market closed. If I lose a long, the likelihood that we're gonna see a pump is even higher. So the likelihood that we saw a pump on Monday after losing a previous long already on Friday is really high, was really high, so... I was actually also planning on longing at market open, so yeah, I just hoped to go a little bit lower and it didn't happen. I closed it at 6693 unfortunately, but 70 points is a good start of the week. Man, you're lucky. That's still a really good close. Still a really good close. What was your entry though? Jan, what was your entry? What's the difference between micro ES and S&P X500 CFD? Oh, that's really important. So if you trade futures, you need to choose micro ES, and I would not recommend to trade S&P 500 using CFD, so on Forex accounts. You have to, I can really recommend you to buy a futures account. I mean. There's actually also a code, if you want to get a discount, you can use this SDH futures. But do not trade S&P, I would not trade S&P 500 on Forex accounts. I would really buy a futures account on FundedNext, TopStep or wherever and use that. And basically what the difference is, I'm gonna also show you this quickly here. So this is why I trade micro futures. I could also trade normal ES futures, but the main difference using micro futures, you can see this here, this is what I trade. The contracts are much smaller, so you can risk less per trade. So for a 50k account, to have 10 50k accounts, the best thing is to use micro ES contracts. At least for my strategy, this is the best. Yeah, because I can risk less because the contract sizes are much smaller, and it's perfect for a 50k account. Are we gonna fill this trade or not, chat? Come on. So far, good reaction from the 1 hour. Man, you actually got in at 6623. That was actually what I was also thinking of long. Oh, that's such a tilter for me. I mean, missing 8k is kind of tilted, chat. Missing $8,000 on your funded account from one simple trade. Well, let's see. Let's see. Maybe you can still find a really good one today. But you actually, Jan, you actually took the exact trade that I was looking for as well. But the move was so fast. I should have instantly took it. I see. Thanks for the explanation. No problem. And what I can also recommend you guys, if you, in my opinion, the best way to trade on prop firms, and I've also tested a lot of strats. So for Forex accounts, I can really recommend you to swing trade. So place trades over a long, so place trades with a wider stop loss. And on futures, you can day trade and scalp trade. So if you're a scalp trader, I would really recommend you to trade on futures and not on Forex. I actually don't know a lot of people that scalp trade on Forex accounts. It's kind of hard. But I personally only swing trade on my Forex accounts. All green for Nasdaq. Yeah, it's all green, and we missed this insane pump, chat. We missed this incredible pump. It would have been so cool for the stream as well. This is what triggers me actually more. Imagine that we would be in this long now. 8k up in this long. And I mean, at this point, if I would have longed this chat, I would have probably closed everything around here as well, like Jan, because that's already 3 to 4 hour on the trade. But you could have also just let this run, probably for the whole day. And you gotta type it like this, Shamir, ! Giveaway. And for all the new people in the stream chat, I'm giving away 10-15k FundedNext accounts, and these are stellar two-step Stellar Light accounts, I think they're called. These are the best ones. I also use them myself, but I use bigger ones, not the 15k accounts. But I'm giving away 10-15k accounts on Friday. So to join these giveaways, it's really simple, chat. You need to sign up through my FundedNext link. So click the link above. Wait, I'm gonna make a quick pinned message. Let me quickly make a pinned message as well. Oh wait, I think I had one on ChatGPT. Type exclamation giveaway. I'm gonna copy this link. Oh, we're getting really close to the first entry, chat. We're getting really close to my entry here. Please, chat, do not risk a lot on this trade. Please don't, because it can hit stop loss. I only risk one contract because I know it's not the best trade. Oh, we are in the trade already, chat. We just got filled. One contract. We are in the trade. Oh, why can't I copy this? What is this? Let me copy this, please. Doesn't let me copy it, okay. Let me see if this works. Claude ChatGPT. Yeah, Claude is really good for writing, you're right. I used it once. Do you have a good affiliate split with FundedNext? I mean, actually, I don't, really. I do everything for free right now. I don't get paid anything from FundedNext. I give everything back to you guys, basically. I mean, why do you think, chat? I have 3,000 subs, I'm a really small streamer. And I give away more accounts than most of the big streamers. This has its reason. Because I don't really, get anything from them, so yeah. From this giveaway, I do not earn anything from this, They're giving me these accounts. We're in a trade, by the way, chat. I didn't even notice. I'm in the trade right now. 6726 was the entry. Let's see. Only one contract though. This is a risky trade, chat. Do not gamble. But yeah, this is why most... Look, I'm a really small streamer, but I don't earn anything. But I get these accounts because I promote them a little bit on my streams. This is basically my idea with my streams as well. The more viewers we're gonna get, the bigger the giveaways are gonna be. And yeah, guys, please, if you want to really win these accounts, also be active in Discord, because FundedNext told me they will check if you guys are active before sending the accounts out. So you need to also be active on the Discord. That's really important. But all the giveaways are free. Nice reaction, by the way, so far. We actually sniped the high so far. But yeah, it's kind of risky trade, but you have a good entry now, I think. This is only with one contract, by the way, chat. I only have one contract open. Wait, let me see. Let me show you. As you can see, it got filled here, and I have one contract only, so we risk only 1k in this trade. Well, what is quick dump though here? Really nice entry right now. Let me close this so you can see it better. So this is the trade I called before, but we'll see. This is a risky one, chat. I only want to risk one contract here, but in the best case, actually, we can still make 5k if we go down here. With one contract, we can still make 5k on all accounts together. So this, what you see here, is only on one account, by the way. And I use 10 accounts connected, so we're trading with 10 accounts. Yes, guys, but I don't earn anything yet from FundedNext. Maybe if I'm gonna get bigger, I'm gonna earn some affiliate commission, and if you use my codes, I'm also gonna earn something, but it's basically nothing. Like, I earn nothing from this. It's probably like 500 bucks a month, if not even less, probably. So the only way I earn something is with if you use the link and sign up and buy something, but most of the people don't buy a lot, so yeah. But I'm giving away everything, like, basically to the community with the giveaways. I also have never seen someone give away that many accounts on X anywhere, so... Ref Swiss Trading Hall, yeah, I need to change that. I need to change it to Salto Trades, but right now the link is still the right one. So just sign up with the link, that's it. You need to click on the link, sign up, and after that, you only gotta type exclamation mark giveaway and be active on the Discord. Like, these are the steps. And on Friday, I'm gonna choose 10 winners live on stream, and FundedNext will send out the accounts on Monday. So Friday is gonna be a big stream, and we have how many people in the giveaway? We have 23 people in the giveaway. So we have 23 people that actually typed exclamation mark giveaway. Mr. Beast of Trading. You have so many new people in the chat. Nice to see you guys, and please subscribe if you like the stream. I'm gonna be trading a lot here. I've been trading now 2 weeks live. So still a really small streamer. So like, every support helps. But no, this is the goal with all these partnerships. I'm also gonna look for, and I only partner with the best prop firms that actually do payouts. So you will never see any low quality prop firm promoted by me. I only promote stuff that I used myself and got payouts with. And you can also see the payouts. I posted some of the payouts in my Discord and on X also, if you want to see that. Is it people that attended the live or those who signed up? You have to sign up with the link, and you have to attend the live and type exclamation mark giveaway. So you have to type this here once, and on Friday we choose 10 winners on the Friday stream. So you gotta also join the Friday stream, because on Friday I will choose 10 winners live. This is gonna be kind of like a hustle. Do you know who those who registered thoroughly? TG Labs, I don't check this, but FundedNext checks looks at this. So if you don't use my link, I don't think you can win the account, but I'm not 100% sure. On the previous giveaways, you had to have the link. You had to use the link, but I'm not sure about this one, because this is my biggest giveaway so far. Did you ever get promoted to live account, or how many payouts did you already take on Top Step? Top Step, I've only been funded for how long is it now? I think 3 weeks, and I've had 3 payouts in total on all accounts together. And no, I'm not on a live account yet, luckily. I hope they're not gonna put me on a live account. kind of want to stay on this on the account I'm at right now. But I heard a lot of people actually had their accounts upgraded to live accounts. And what I also read, I'm not sure if this was true, but someone had this account upgraded before a big payout, so he lost his payout. But you never know if this is true. Like on X, they post a lot of stuff that is actually also not true. I have registered, please don't forget me. I'm not going to forget anyone, guys. You, Teacher Labs, you are already in the comments. Let me see. No, Teacher Labs, you need to type this here. You need to type this here still. I don't see your name. So everyone that wants to join the 150k giveaway on Friday, type !giveaway in the chat. Another bearish CVD print, but they have been really like baits. Wow, 50 contracts by chat. I'm only in this trade with one contract, so we'll see. Yeah, on MFU I got promoted to live after the 5th payout, but on top of it they let me do 8 max payouts and didn't get a notice. It's really strange seeing though. I heard someone that was newly funded and got basically immediately upgraded to a live account. Kinda strange. I think they're doing it a little bit different for everyone. These are CFD giveaways, Elof. These are 10, 50k CFD, 15k CFD accounts that I'm giving away, so not futures accounts. We are still pumping, sadly. Getting close to the entry again. It just looks so bullish today, chat. But I'm gonna hold on to this trade. I mean, I only risk 1k. Worst case, we lose 1k, is what it is. Still a good entry here. So I'm gonna risk 1 contract here and 2 contracts if we go higher. This is my plan. Wanna see PDH on Nasdaq at least. Previous day high. We will see. It really depends what kind of reaction we see of the trade that I'm in right now. If we see a rejection lower, we can actually go much lower. But I mean, right now it's still looking bullish. I want to see us lose this daily VWAP for my short. I mean, it's only a 1 contract trade, guys, but we can still make kind of a lot of money with this if it goes our way. And obviously, if we hit stop loss, we're gonna lose less, so it's a win-win. Green Viral, welcome to the stream. We have a lot of people in the stream today. What is going on, chat? Please subscribe. Do we have any new subs? LG Barney's subbed. I think we already read that one out. And Mike C, thank you for the sub, Mike C. We are farming subscribers today. So how was your week, chat? How was your week today? I'm kind of tilted today because of this insane long I missed, but I'm not gonna let it affect my trading, obviously, but I am tilted, but I'm not gonna let it affect my trading. That's the most important thing. You can be annoyed, chat, but never ever trade levels that you would never trade. Because that's revenge trading. There's a big difference, yeah. So let's see, I'm in a short, chat. I'm in a short from right here, 6726 here. Only 1 contract though, really low risk trade. So we risk $100 on each 50k account. Yeah, it looks still so bullish. We had a lot of sellers here, but no big pullback. I mean, we are just pumping today, chat. This is crazy. Wait, I'm gonna go on 5-minute time frame now. I'm gonna go on 5 minutes. Oops. How much do you risk per trade? Usually $200 on each account, usually 200, max 300. And after 2 losses, I'm done for the day. So if I lose 2 trades, I'm done for the day. Could you explain why you actually switched to English content streaming? You would say the English market is already a bit saturated, but in Swiss Germany you really would have a nice, unique standing. The problem is nobody watches trading, like futures trading in Switzerland. And on YouTube, I have a much bigger potential to get much more viewers because everyone watches trading in English. And I kind of hate TikTok. They limited my streams, so my Swiss German streams got limited on TikTok, and there's like no reason to like trade. At least I think so. Like have a Swiss German trading stream on YouTube. I don't think that makes sense. I think you could grow in a bigger community like that instead of trying to go for the maybe you're right. I mean, in German, I think you can get a really big following as well. But the thing is, I don't know any people that trade ES and like in German as well and get a lot of viewers. But people that talk English get much more viewers usually. The thing is, I've only streamed like 2 weeks on YouTube, so I'm still kind of small. I don't think English is that bad though, scene. I don't think English is that bad. But I know a lot of people really liked my Swiss German streams. But yeah, I mainly stopped because of TikTok. TikTok kept limiting my streams, so it was really annoying. You gotta type it like this, exclamation mark giveaway. If you only type giveaway, you're not gonna join the giveaway. Let's see, chat, if you see a dump here. Come on. I mean, we took out these wicks here. Oh wait, I'm still on trading. You didn't notice. We took out these wicks here, chat. I mean, we can go up to 6732 though. I don't know, it's a clean setup here to take. But I don't think people would watch Swiss German streams on YouTube actually. I mean, on TikTok it kind of worked well because the algorithm suggested me to all the Swiss people all the time because I live in Switzerland. But on YouTube it's different. They don't really care which location you're streaming from. And I don't know, there are some ES traders on YouTube. They get like 2 to 3K constant average viewers, which is kind of crazy. But they obviously have been streaming for a long time. So you need to be really consistent on YouTube to actually grow. And I think in English there's so many big flashy traders on. Yeah, that is true. I also only started watching you because in Swiss German it was just more familiar, and I think over time the Swiss market will grow. Yeah, with YouTube, the only problem is YouTube, you know, and I don't really want to stick to TikTok because TikTok is really annoying, trust me. Like, they keep giving you strikes, even though I don't like sell anything. I don't sell a single thing. I ever thought about doing it on Twitch? I actually streamed on Twitch like 2 or 3 times. But also Twitch, like, I don't know, Twitch would be better in Swiss German maybe, or German, yeah. I was also thinking of doing like German streams when I started out. But I don't know, I think for futures, for trading futures, because I know the most Germans I know, they trade Forex and not futures. And also in Switzerland, a lot of people trade Forex and not futures. So I don't know. I don't really like to see this, chat. We had a lot of sellers here, but we didn't really go lower. Overall, YouTube is the best for trading, trust me. Even though Twitch is really good for streaming, like gaming and IRL stuff and like this. But for trading, YouTube is actually the best. Like the biggest trading streamers are all on YouTube, on ES. Even though some of them are not really good traders, I personally think, but they have a lot of people watching. And I think I'm gonna grow in the English space as well, because I actually trade on my own funded accounts. And a lot of people that stream trading, they don't show the live P&L. And they don't show that they actually trade on funded accounts, and I show everything. So people know that I'm actually trading on funded accounts. And I think this is why I can grow on YouTube as well. I don't know anyone else that actually trades live on funded accounts. I mean, there are many traders that show trading view charts and enter some random trades and are in a trade all the time, but yeah, most of them don't actually get payouts. They just get a lot of views and get paid from that, or sell something, sell a course, sell anything. And I don't sell anything, so I think this is a big plus why I think I can grow as well. Maybe we'll see, guys, we'll see. But I think I'm gonna stick to English for now, because I have a lot of people that also only speak English. Come on, let's dump, chat. Give us that juicy dump. Aber ja, Sin, mal schauen. Ja, mal schauen. Ich würde auch gerne auf Schweizerdeutsch streamen, es ist halt einfach auf TikTok mega mühsam. Also. I streamed 1.5 or even 2 months on TikTok, and I streamed a lot. And after 2 months, they randomly sent me a strike every time I went live. Like, it was so crazy. And on YouTube, this never happens. Like, you can stream as much as you want, and you can actually also earn from your streams. I don't earn anything yet, but you can actually also earn from the streams when you get bigger. And on TikTok, you also don't earn anything, you know what I mean? Like, it's... And I don't know, TikTok is really strict, and they can just take away your account. We are dumping, chat. We are dumping here. I'd love to see it. You're actually $400 up with 1 contract only. That's crazy. Wait. 0.5 R hit here, almost. We had a really clean entry so far. I also think you're one of the realest down-to-earth trader I found in the space. That's why I would hope that it works out. Well, yeah, first of all, I need to get into the partnership, in the YouTube partnership. Because I'm not even... Guys, this channel I'm streaming on is not even monetized. Like, I don't earn anything. I haven't earned a single cent from my streams. Not anything. And I've streamed for 2 weeks now, and before like 2 months on TikTok. So it's kind of crazy. I don't know that they declined my application last time, then I had to wait 3 months, so now there's like 4 weeks to go. And if I don't get monetized, I actually don't know what I'm gonna do, because this is really bad for the algorithm. I need to be monetized. Chat, we are dumping from my entry, we are dumping here. I kind of like to trade with 1 contract sometimes on these not A+ setups, because you can still get a really clean trade in. And actually make a lot of money if you have 10 accounts, even with 1 contract. We are actually 1 or up already, chat. Look at this sniper. I'm gonna show it to you in trading view. Look at this sniper here. I mean, we sniped the high. We actually sniped the high here to the dollar. Almost. We went a little bit higher here, but it is to the dollar basically. So I like to see this. Good reaction. Good thing I closed my shorts here. This was the right way, guys, to close the shorts here and profit. But yeah, if we would have gotten this long, we would be, I don't know, chat, we would be up a lot today, like 8K. But good thing I closed these shorts. I knew I had to close them before New York Open. You guys know the New York Open pumps that always happen. But yeah, I'm gonna chill in this trade actually. We're just gonna chill in this trade. How many people are in the giveaway? We have 24 people in the giveaway. 24 people that joined the giveaway already. $700 up with one contract, chat, with one micro contract. It's not bad. Explain this trade, please. We hit the value high and the 1 hour level. Yeah, it's more about the algorithm. The thing is, if you are in the partnership, they promote your stream a lot more. If they can run ads on your stream, you will get promoted more. It's not about the money, but it's really good for the algorithm. So I want to get into this algorithm. And this is why I have to get partnered on YouTube first. Yeah, I hope they're gonna accept me, chat. I hope they're gonna accept me. On April, we will find out. And if not, I gotta get another channel that's monetized or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, chat. Or we're gonna go to Twitch or Kick, maybe. We'll see. What a dump. Chat, what a dump. 1 hour hit now on the trade for anyone that joined, that entered the trade as well. Close to 1 hour here. Kinda like to see this here. I mean, if we lose the daily VWAP, chat, it's a really good trade, by the way. But we have to be careful. Maybe here we will close the trade, we'll see. Depending on the reaction we see here at the daily VWAP. Is there any other level? Yeah, 6699 is a key level. Key level for the bulls, chat. This is really a key level for all the bulls today. If we lose this, we're probably gonna go quite a bit lower. I mean, not too bad, chat. A 1 contract trade, already 1 hour hit here. I mean, look at this entry, chat. I'm gonna explain you the entry quickly. This was a 1 hour wick and we also had the value high here. This is why I decided to short here. 1 hour hit now on the trade. With a really wide stop loss. So this was my stop loss, by the way, chat. This is still my stop loss. So we have a really wide stop loss. We were in no drawdown here on this trade. Basically no drawdown trade, by the way. This was my stop. This is my entry here. Really clean. Closed with $100 plus here. Really, from Nivi, really nice. Was a quick one, chat, quick scalp. Next one will be 750. I'm also considering closing this soon, by the way, to lock in the gains. I mean, this is a 1 hour trade already, chat, in a matter of 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna lock in some gains here probably, chat. Gonna close here. Out of this one, chat, out of this one. Was a quick scalp. We locked in 1k here, quickly. Nice to see. As you can see, I closed this here, chat. I'm gonna go on the 1 minute, just so you see that I closed it. Entry was here, closed here. There we go. We can go lower, by the way. You can hold this if you want, but I want to be a bit cautious. I want to be a bit cautious today. I mean, it would have been a nice trade with 2 contracts, then I would be 2k up already. Next one will be 650. I'm also looking for 650. Or if we go lower now, we can look for a long. We can actually look for a long. Welcome Adam in the stream. To join the giveaway, chat, you need to sign up with the FundedNext link, which was just posted and which is also pinned. And you need to type exclamation mark giveaway and be active in the Discord. And on Friday, I will choose 10 winners. On Friday, we will do a live stream where I choose 10 winners live on stream. So you can see your names. So everyone that typed giveaway will see the names. I will show all the names that joined. And then I will choose 10 winners on stream together. So Friday is going to be a big day. We're going to give away 150k in accounts on FundedNext. So really simple, sign up with the link, type exclamation mark giveaway. Stainless, you also typed it wrong. You need to type it like this. And you need to be signed up with the link. Clean trade, chat, though. Clean trade. Now I'm gonna wait a bit. I mean, we made some gains at least. How much are we up? 1.3k, not too bad. Not too bad. You also typed it wrong. You need to type it exactly like it is. And no caps lock, chat. No caps lock. And all together. We have so many people that want to join the giveaway today. I think they all come from X. They all come from X, I think. These giveaways are really good for the stream though, chat. Friday is gonna be massive. Like, the chance that you guys are gonna win an account is really high. If you're active on the stream every day and on the Discord, the chance is really high that you're gonna win. I only have 25 people in the giveaway right now. 25 people, chat, and we're giving away 10 accounts, so... Hi Michael, how are you doing? We just closed a nice short. We went in a short here and now closed it. Guys, you need to type it with an exclamation mark like this here. Everyone types it wrong. You need to type it like this. I just posted how you need to type it. I'm active, and be active in the Discord chat. FundedNext will check if you're active. If you just sign up with the link and type giveaway, you're not gonna win the account. You need to also be active in Discord. And with active, I mean you don't need to spam in the Discord, but post something every day. Like, one post a day is enough. Post your analysis, what trades you are looking for, and stuff like this in the Discord. We are dumping, man. We are absolutely dumping here. What are these candles, chat? I mean, this sell is crazy. I guess we could have held it, but I'm fine, chat. I'm fine with locking in the gains here. Really strong dump. We also had a nice bearish CVD at the highs here. I mean, I'm also happy with going lower, chat, and looking for a long now. But for that, we actually, let me see quickly. We did hit this level now that I showed you before, 6699. That's an orderflow level. So 6674 looks interesting actually. Maybe, but it's kind of high still to look for a long. What do we have here? Yeah, I mean... No, we gotta wait a bit, chat, we gotta wait a bit lower for longs. Definitely not gonna long right here. Took the small short with, yeah, it was a quick scalp trade. I just wanted to lock in some gains for the mental. Sometimes it's really good, this is one thing I can also tell you guys, sometimes lock in some gains, especially on Monday. Because what I noticed, actually, this is really weird. What I noticed with my trading, if I close Monday on green, I usually have insane weeks. So if Monday is a good day, my weeks usually end really well. And the worst thing is if you have a big red day on Monday. This is actually the worst thing. Done, sir. Nice. And on Friday, so on Friday, how do you win the giveaway? I'm gonna explain this again quickly. So, first of all, you need to sign up through my FundedNext link, which is above in the pinned message. Then you need to type exclamation mark giveaway, which you think you already did. Did you do that already? No, you didn't. So type exclamation mark giveaway in the chat. And on Friday, and Friday is gonna be the big day. So on Friday, I will choose 10 winners that signed up through my link and were active in the Discord and also type this word on YouTube. I'm gonna choose 10 winners on stream. So this is what you need to type. And you need to be active in my Discord, but everything is free to join. Like, my Discord is free, and yeah, the giveaway is completely free. What a clean little scalp rate though, chat. I mean, I wish I would have ended it with 2 contracts, then we would be 2.3k up already. But I'm kind of happy with being 1.3k up already. Because now we can lose a trade and still be kind of break even. I mean, 1 with 2 contracts, not 1 with 1. There are some new buyers stepping in here though. But yeah guys, on Friday I will choose all the winners. I'm gonna show you how we'll do this. Wait, let me show you this quickly. Let's make sure I don't leak anything. How do I add my browser source? Wait, let me show you this quickly. This is how I'm gonna choose the winners. I'm gonna show you how I choose the winners on Friday quickly. Window capture. Wait, is it the window capture that I want? I guess it is. Giveaway. I'm gonna call it giveaway. I need to quickly do something, chat. Give me 1 sec. Oh, tricks. There it is. So this, chat, is how I'm gonna choose the giveaway. This is how I'm gonna choose it. I'm gonna quickly show it to you guys. Wait, let me actually put this here so you can see it properly. So this is how we're gonna choose the winners on Friday, chat. So you need to type this word in the chat and you need to be active and be signed up for my link. And here you can see all the names. So Earth is in here, I'm in there as well, but I'm gonna delete myself, obviously. Badged with a lot of people in there. So on Friday, I will choose 10 winners here, chat. You also need to be subscribed to the channel, by the way, so also sub to the channel. But on Friday, I will choose the winners like this, chat, on stream. There we go. But now you know how I'm gonna choose the winners on Friday. So I'm gonna use this tool to actually choose all the winners. W in the chat. How does it work if you win? If you win, it's really simple. So there's one condition as well after you won. Oh no, you don't need to open a ticket. Well, you can do it like this. We'll see how you do it, or you DM me. But maybe opening a ticket is easier, but I just need your name. Let me see quickly. I need your email. Wait, the guy from FundedNext actually texted me this. Let me see what he wrote. So I don't say anything that's wrong. Let me quickly see. Wait, where did he type this? Oh, there it is. There it is. Wait, I actually need your full name as well, but maybe it's fine with only email if you guys don't want to give me the full name. But he told me you can announce the winners on March 21. Please note that our office will be closed for the Eid holiday until March 24th. That's what the guy from FundedNext told me. To ensure we can process all the giveaway accounts quickly once we return, please have the following details ready. So I need the full name, email address, country, and if you want to use MT4 or MT5. So on Friday we're gonna choose all these winners. Did you already see the new trading software? MMT should be something similar to Extra Charts but for free, and no, I've never heard of it. I mean, you know, the thing is, like, Extra Charts is not that expensive. The expensive thing is the CME data, which costs around 160 bucks. So yeah, 6693 is interesting, as is 6677. Yeah, we might look for a long soon, chat, if we go a bit lower here. $6660 would also be clean. Wait, do we have any? Let me quickly look on TradingView. I also want to see like the technical levels here. This is also really clean one here, but I'm not sure if you're gonna go that low. So this one we traded, chat. This would still be printing the short. Kind of looking at levels, chat, that we can potentially long. But But I'm kind of deciding which level I want to trade right now. Kind of deciding which one is the best here. This actually looks not too bad here, this level. Six, 752 looks so clean for a short. Like, we have to short this level probably once if we go up there. But I kind of would like to see if, guys, if we go lower, I'm gonna look for a long. So we have this 1 hour level. What else do we have? This is actually also 4 hour level. Wow, this anchored VWAP was also hit to the dollar here. I mean, this was a really clean short entry, actually, the more I look at it. This short entry we had was insane, chat. Kinda could have just held this, I guess, longer. It was a really, really clean one. But yeah, if you go lower, I'm gonna look for a long, chat. I don't mind going lower. But I kinda wanna wait for 660 at least. Even though we have some order flow levels at 6674. Still holding the daily VWAP here. The thing is with 6673, there's no really clean stop loss actually. Is there? Wait, let me see. Yeah, the stop loss would be at the 1 hour, which is really not what I like to see. Kinda would love to wait for a little bit lower for a cleaner long. Well, let's see what's gonna happen here, chat. We can still go higher here. So it's 1 hour and 10 minutes after New York Open right now. All steps done, sir. Nice. Let me see how many are in the giveaway. 26 right now. I kind of want to wait lower, chat, for a long. Yeah, I really like 6656, honestly. I really like this level. Because there we can have a clean stop loss for the trade. Actually gonna place this trade quickly, chat. And we even have the stop loss below the anchored VWAP, which is really nice to see. So I'm gonna place this along at 6657. Kinda like this setup here, chat. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is not really an order flow setup here, this is a technical setup. Entry at 1 hour level, we have also the fib below here. And stop loss is below the anchored VWAP and also at very low, so we should actually not go lower again. We should not go lower than this for the bulls. If we lose this low here, it's kind of bad, then we're probably gonna go make a new low. If we lose this trade. Yeah, this is actually a clean one. I'm gonna leave this here open. But if we dump really fast now, chat, I'm gonna wait with this trade probably. We'll see. But I have it placed for now. And I'm risking 2k on the trade. Ying, you typed it wrong. You need to type exclamation mark giveaway in the stream, like this. And please, guys, you also need to be active in the Discord on Friday. And on Friday, I will choose 10 winners. So everyone has to wait until Friday. On Friday, we choose 10 winners. Oh, wait, the whole message from Botrix is wrong. Let me change that. This is probably why everyone gets confused all the time. Just realized this. Yeah, now you typed it right. Join your Discord and great giveaway. Thank you. On Friday we choose 10 winners on stream. So please guys also watch my Friday stream. It would be nice if you're active when I choose the winners. So you can send me your info live on stream as well. I'm obviously not going to show your info, but then we can do it live on stream, everything. So what did I want to check? Wait, my order flow is gone again. You're pumping here from this low. You know what we could also do today, chat? Like trade one contracts only. Or take a little more trades. Like scalp trade a little bit more. Let me change this message though quickly. Stand up and join Discord. Nice, perfect, perfect. Let me see though here. Chatbot, I think it is, right? Oh, wait, okay. I'm gonna change the message now, so I changed it. There we go. Now it should be much clearer. Because this bot message was a little bit confusing. Man, we have 14 people watching chat. We were at 20 viewers already today. We had a little dump on the viewers since I closed my trade probably. But we are back at 14 viewers again, chat. So we took a nice short up here, chat. I already closed it though. And now we're waiting for a new trade for all the new people in the stream. We want to take more trades, but it's not that we're not at a good place to trade yet. We are holding the daily VWAP though. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, chat. This was an order flow level, but I just didn't feel like trading it. Like this order flow level here, I showed it to you before. But this is from the session right now. So 6674 might also, chat, and probably, you know what I'm gonna do, 6674, we can risk one contract there. I'm gonna risk one contract like 6674. Yeah, this is clean, I like this, I like this. I'm gonna show it to you, chat, wait. So I'm gonna place it again so you can see it. Let me cancel this quickly. So 6674, I'm only gonna risk one contract here. And I actually wanna hold this though here up to the highs. Because now, this is the cool thing, now if we lose this trade, we're gonna fill the next trade, where I'm gonna risk 200. Which is fine, we are still not, this is for each account, chat. So I risk 1k here and 2k on this trade. And I'm also gonna place a sell here. There we go. Alright, so with one sell, place two longs. One sell here with two contracts, I'm risking $200 times 10 because I trade on 10 funded accounts. Here I risk 1k and here I risk 2k, and these are the profits we can make. So we can make 7k on this short. If we actually hit max take profit, we can make 3.8k on this one contract long, and we can make 7k on the long from here if we go lower here, chat. Kinda like this. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the order flow. Are you trading CFDs or futures? I trade futures, ES futures on FundedNext, Topstep and Lucid. What are you trading, guys? What are you guys trading? 650 still active. Yes, this is still active to trade. This would have been a nice scalp, I guess, at the daily VWAP, but we didn't have any other level besides the current session point of control. Good thing we closed the short though. At least for now it was good that we closed it. Because we saw a really nice reaction of the daily VWAP here. Still a lot of sellers here though. I mean, we could have taken this with one contract, I guess, this long here. Actually, scalp trading with like one contract could be really profitable. I have to try this on a new account though, not on my funded accounts. I think scalp trading with one micro contract can be insane actually. Because you'll have a really low drawdown and you can actually leave the trades open for a long time with one contract. Because usually when I trade with two contracts, I don't like to let them run for a long time. But if you actually open them with one contract, leaving them as day trades open for a long time is much easier, I would say. Sometimes I should trust my own levels more, I guess. I mean, yeah, it depends. It's always good to follow your own strategy, Jan, of course. And today is a strange day to trade. And I kind of missed my best trade from the morning. But you should never not enter a trade just because I'm not taking a trade. And this was also a valid trade. Wow, big pump again. Don't get too greedy, yeah, this is important. Don't get greedy though, chat. What a nice reaction though from the daily VWAP, crazy, to the dollar. Respected here. But what I can say is, it's always easy to say, like, you missed the trade after the move happened, you know what I mean? I mean, we could have also went lower here. No, like, 100% guarantee, but we had nice delta here on the retest. I mean, I don't mind going higher, chat. We can look for a new short higher. It's completely fine if we go higher or lower here. Only waiting for an A+ setup for my own stuff. Nice. Nice reaction on 693. Yes, you had a nice clean entry here at the daily VWAP. It was not only the daily VWAP, it was also this order flow level here. It was actually also this order flow level here. 6696, which was hit again. Now we're going back to the high of the session that's going on right now. My Red Bull is empty, chat. I need to get a new drink quickly. I think I need to quickly grab a new drink. Yeah, also don't really like to scalp trade. The thing is with scalp trading, you have to be really careful on funded accounts with your risk management. Because with scalp trading, you take a lot more trades, so it's also, if you have a, yeah, it's also riskier to get a bigger drawdown. Especially if you risk a lot in each trade. Or blow the accounts, I mean. But there are days where I see how insane scalping can be. Because with my strategy, I just wait for a setup and would not enter these scalp trades, but they would basically play out perfectly. You gotta type exclamation mark giveaway to join and read the pinned message. Sancta Oculi. Hit the like button for the algorithm. Yeah, hit the like button, chat. Oh, I want to find one good trade today, chat. The levels are not too clean right now. I mean, Jan, you are anyways done for the day after taking this nice long. So you cannot complain, I think. You must be up nicely already today. See you, Jan. I see you soon. I think I need to quickly get something to drink, chat, for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave the stream running though. I'm getting something to drink and eat something quickly. I'm like really hungry. I still have some evals to pass, so I'm waiting for this, but yeah, see you tomorrow. Have a nice evening, Jan. Have a nice evening. Yeah, I'm quickly gonna get something to drink and let this market do its thing. I'm gonna leave the order flow running, chat. You are trading from the heaven part of Earth. We will be waiting. Nice that you guys are waiting on stream. I'll be gone for like 5 minutes. I just need to eat some. I'm gonna make a smoothie quickly. A smoothie with Swiss milk. Alright, chat, give me like 5 minutes. I will be back. I'm gonna mute my mic though. I will be back in 5 minutes. I'm gonna type it in the chat quickly. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a quick cigarette break and then I'll be back. I ate something quickly, like 2-3 more minutes. I'll be back. Give me 1 second. Nothing anyway is interesting to trade right now, so I'm just gonna wait here. Alright guys, see you in 5 minutes. I'm back guys, I am back. Sorry about this, I had to take a quick break. I needed to eat something, I was so hungry. Alright, new drink is ready guys. More coffee in to go. Should have thrown the cig into the coffee in this movie, you mean? No, I didn't do that, that wouldn't taste good for sure. But it's so cold outside. Holy crap, it was cold, guys. It was so cold on the balcony. What is this boring price action though? Really boring, chat. Is it gonna be one of these slow pump days? penitence to join the giveaway. I'm gonna explain it again. So on Friday is the big day. On Friday I'm gonna give away, wait, let me show you. I'm gonna give away, wait, we still have 12 viewers, that's crazy. Let me go to TradingView quickly. Alright guys, so these are the people that joined the giveaway. Here you can see the names. And on Friday I will choose 10 winners. 10 winners. You need to be also active in my free Discord though. But on Friday 10 winners will be chosen. And I'm gonna give away 150k on FundedNext. So Friday is gonna be the big day for us, or for you guys. For me it's just gonna be work, but for you guys it's gonna be great. So to join this giveaway, also please be active on the Discord, because FundedNext will check if you are active. So share your trades chat in the Discord. It's really simple, you only need to post something a day, that's enough. And FundedNext also told me, if you win the account chat, so I'm gonna say this on Friday again, if you win the account, please like document your trades in the Discord. Still active. Nivi is also still here. So if you want to win these accounts, be active, and once you won the account, so the 10 winners, please post your like how it went, like for example post your trades that you take and stuff like this in the Discord. That's what FundedNext would like to see. And it's kind of important for me that you do this, because if you guys actually do this, I can give away accounts like this every week. Well, not maybe every week, but I can do big giveaways in the future as well. So it really depends how this giveaway goes. I mean, imagine we can give away 150k in funding every week. That would be crazy. But I don't think they're gonna give me that many accounts every week. That would be crazy. I mean, that would be absolutely crazy. If we can give away 10 accounts every week. Kinda wanna see higher still, chat, for the short. Boring market right now. Good thing we closed the short though. One more trade would be really nice for the stream. And also for me, one more take profit I'm really happy about today. The bulls are not giving up here. Ethan, thank you for the sub, Ethan. And also the faceless man also subscribed. Wow, we have so many subs today, chat, thank you. And Mohammed Mar, thank you for the sub as well. What are all these subs coming in, chat? Today is crazy. Today's stream is crazy, even though I didn't have any crazy trade yet. I personally missed the insane long chat at market open. Kinda sad about this still. Would have had such a crazy day, oh my god. Can we see some bigger action, please? I want to see more volume here as well. The volume is really low, as you can see. I want these green volume bars here again, like this one, like these one here. Kind of low activity right now, so we're just chilling. Elof is also still in the stream. Guys, you are all coming from X, right? From my X post. I think a lot of you guys come from X. What do you think about oil? I mean, oil, guys, oil the oil trade that I posted like 3 months ago. This was actually the craziest trade of the month, of the whole year so far. But I'm obviously not in that trade anymore, but I'm still bullish on oil. But I think now it's obviously a lot more risky to enter longs. But like oil pumped like crazy. But as long as the war keeps going on, like oil is just gonna go higher, I think. But I'm not looking for longs right now on oil, chat. It went up a lot already. It's kind of risky to trade here, for swing trades at least. What did oil do today though? Let's quickly check, guys. Let's quickly check what the market is doing here. So silver went down 0.5% today. Bitcoin and Ethereum is looking, especially Ethereum looks really strong here. You can see 5% up today. And Bitcoin is also pumping. This is also because ES is pumping. Gold is kind of bearish right now. I mean, not bearish, that's the wrong word. But we saw a little dump here as well on gold. Probably also why Bitcoin is going up. I mean, this is oil, chat. This is the oil trade that I posted on Discord. This was way back though, this was in December. Actually, no, this was in January. I just draw it from here, but this trade was insane. Like, I closed it way earlier though. Still going higher here. We're at the very high again of the session, chat. We're at the very high. What a beautiful retest of the daily VWAP though. Come on, let us go to 6750 chat. That would be crazy. Let me take a nice short there. I'm obviously not going to trade the same level we traded before. Nice. Still pushing. What a pump right now, crazy. Oh, this level was also insane, chat. This is basically the low. Look at this. Hit to the dollar. I mean, it was front run, but we actually traded this here as well. Six, 7, 7, 8 is also gonna be, these two levels are also gonna be really strong resistance level. Well, let's see what's gonna happen here. What a boring day today. Chat, what a boring day. What an absolute boring day so far. $6,730 is the next strong resistance, by the way, chat. $6,730. Possible for a scalp trade there as well. Scalp short, maybe. With the anchored VWAP there as well, and the 1 hour level, which was not hit yet. Still going higher here, I think. Still looks bullish. Nice positive delta on basically all the last 6 candles. This is also the 1 hour level here, by the way, with an orderflow level, 1 hour level here. Daily VWAP. This is why we're seeing a really strong reaction from this level. So this looks really interesting as well, actually, for the short chat. this 1 hour level right here. Probably not gonna limit trade that though. With a limit order, I'm gonna wait for reaction. I mean, honestly, if we don't break this high and we're gonna lose the daily VWAP, then I think we can go to the entry of the longs. I still think that might happen today, we'll see though. Right now it's still looking bullish. Kinda wanna get into the trade chat, but I'm not gonna force one here. Gonna wait for my levels as always. Still pumping here. So 6733, 6750 looks really interesting, and the higher 6772, but I don't think we're gonna go that high today. 6750 is still possible to go up there. But I don't know, 6733 is a really strong resistance level for the bears here. We should actually not break that level. So here is a possibility for a short as well, if you want to try a short. I'm actually gonna enter one contract sell here, chat. There we go. I'm gonna try this one here. I mean, this is a valid setup as well. Two anchored VWAPs with the 1 hour here that wasn't hit yet. Yeah, and if this is, we're gonna see. I might actually go out of this if we see a big pump, and wait for this level here, chat. So yeah, Ellen, welcome back, Ellen. How are you? I missed such a crazy long today, Ellen. I missed such a crazy long today. But honestly, if I hit that long, I probably wouldn't have streamed for a long time today. Nice positive delta since we reclaimed, since we retested the VWAP here. Ellen is in a long, I guess, right, Ellen? Are you in a long? Looks like we're going back to the highs here again. I caught the failed downs at auction, back to the upside, made 310 on 2 accounts combined, and I'm done. Really nice, man. I wish I took that long, chat. Like the long from the midnight open was insane. Midnight open long was crazy. I was just basically long the market open. Wow, strong pump right now. 650 next maybe, or 6733 for sure, I think. I'm literally waiting, chat. I want to see higher or lower or longs. No, it's a really boring stream today. This is what it is. I can't change it. Really can't change the fact that I missed the trade. Because if I would have hit the massive long, we could risk some more smaller trades. I should have aimed for this. Yeah, it's always with me as well. I usually close my trades too early. But this long would have been, oh, long would have been so crazy, chat. It's basically 100 points move so far. Which is a 5-hour trade. But yeah, cannot change it, chat, cannot change it. I'm kind of waiting for a big pump here for a short. So I really would like to see 6,750 hit, or maybe reactions from 6,730. But I'm not gonna risk much on this short here if I take the short here. I'm gonna risk 50% of the usual contracts that I risk. There's so many people selling here, it's kind of crazy. 1.4k sells, 1.1k sells here, a lot of sells. But yeah, the most important thing is you are up on the day. You should never get annoyed about profits that you miss out. Because in the end you won the trade, you know what I mean? Like... Kinda wanna see 6,750 hit, chat. That would be a really nice short, I think, as a day trade. And the next big resistance level is at 6,776. So 6,750 and 6,776 is a really strong resistance level. I can't complain, I hit my profit targets in 200k accounts. Why are you using 100k accounts, Alan? Not 50k accounts? Because usually the drawdowns are much better on the 50k accounts, and the profit goals. So like stacking 50k accounts often makes more sense than buying multiple 100k accounts. What is this boring market for me today, chat? Like, what is this? I'm actually considering, like, well, yeah, we're not moving a lot here. And I kind of want to see 6,750 hit. But honestly, chat, if we break the next high here, it's looking really bullish, actually. If we manage to go above 6,750, then it's looking really good for the bulls. Right now, it's still possible, according to the market structure, to make a new low on ES. But if we go higher from here, if we actually break these levels, I think the low is probably in for a while. I trade them separately, and the 100k just gives more drawdown once your fund... Oh, okay. Which platform do you use? Where do you trade? Like, which platform do you use? At least I made some profits today. At least we made some gains. Better than nothing. But yeah, it's not a lot, chat. It's not a lot for 10, 50k funded accounts. So I'd like to see one more trade today, but if not, it's also not too bad. Top step. Which which account type did you select after passing the account? Because there are two like types. You can select the one without consistency rule and the one with consistency rule. Oh wait, maybe they're not funded yet, or are they funded? Are you funded yet on them? What a boring market, chat. Like, I'm just sitting here. Maybe I'm gonna take a streaming break and come back once I hit the trade. It's kind of boring like this to stream. I'm literally just waiting for my levels. They don't want to get hit though right now. So we have longs and shorts placed. We just need to wait for them. Without consistency, I do degenerate things. But honestly, I also chose the no consistency, even though I trade with consistency rule on FundedNext, because there are no accounts without consistency rule. But it's actually nice to have no consistency, just because you can leave some runners for crazy gains and pay out. Both are funded. I'm working my third. Oh, nice, man. The only thing what I really don't like about, so I've compared a lot of prop firms, right? And what I don't like on Top Step is, first of all, that you have to pay an activation fee after you pass the account, plus you have to pay monthly, which is kind of crazy if you compare the prices from Top Step or compared to other prop firms. And the trailing drawdown is also a little bit annoying. But besides that, I really like Top Step. The consistency rule just caps your profits. I feel like, yeah, it does. But in the end, you can get a higher, you can increase your daily profits that you can make if you increase your balance. So if you don't pay out, you can make more a day. So the higher your buffer is, the more you can make daily. But I actually think the consistency rule is good for some traders. Because it kind of forces you to trade close, to close trades faster sometimes. And lock in profits, which is not too bad on prop firm accounts actually, to lock in gains. But yeah, obviously trading without is the nicest, of course. The fewer rules, the better. But I think TopStep is more expensive because of the reputation they have. And because they have been in the industry for longer, so this is why it's more expensive. You can pay a little more for the combine. Really? Wait, what? Did I actually miss that? We have 30 people in the giveaway chat. 30 people. On Friday we're gonna give away 15k accounts. Let me actually check that. I didn't know that it's no activation fee. I thought it's a lower activation fee, but not no activation fee. Oh, I need to log in again, chat. I'm not gonna log in right now here on stream. So it's no activation fee at all. That's cool. I actually thought it's a lower activation fee, not no activation fee. Well, then it's fine. Then it's actually really fine. Okay. Because I bought the ones with where you had to pay an activation fee, and I thought it's kind of crazy to pay $140 activation fee. Because usually that's what I pay for an account. In FundedNext you pay like $90 or $110 for an account. There's no activation fee, so FX Africa, how are you doing, my friend? Someone from Africa in the chat. Really boring day for me, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Today's a really boring day here for me. Because I missed this really clean long. But I mean, we are in green so far, so everything is fine. We are in green. That's what counts. The 100k without an activation fee is 159 all in. So you pay $159 a month, right? Until you pass it there. That's fair, I think. That's a really good offer. That's actually a really good offer, yeah. And you can have 500k accounts as well, right? You can have either 550k accounts that are funded or 500k, I think. Let me quickly have a look at these 100k top step accounts. Wait, where can I see them? There we go. Let me see these accounts here. Oh wow, you also have a, okay, you also have a little 3k loss limit instead of 2k. But you've double the profit target. But I guess if you're funded, once you're funded, it's actually nice to have the 100k, yeah, you're right. You can risk more if you have a higher drawdown. There we go, no activation fee, costs $159 a month. And the 50k costs $109, alright. Yeah, so you can have 500k funding or 250k funding, so it's the same as FundedNext. Exactly the same as FundedNext. FX Africa, you typed giveaway wrong, you need to type it all together to join the giveaway. And you need to be signed up with the link, and on Friday I'll give away 10 accounts. On the Friday stream we will be giving away 10-15k accounts on stream. And please also, if you want to win the accounts, you need to be also active in the Discord. So join the free Discord, sign up with the link and type !giveaway. Slow pump, it looks like. What a boring stream today, chat. It is a really boring stream today, I'm not gonna lie. Even though I've been live 2 hours already, so... Chat, I might take a break here and wait for my levels, and then we can go and, like, stream again once we go into trade. Because it's kind of boring to stream without the trade open for such a long time. So I might just take a break here and come live again once we hit the levels. This is taking forever here, it's taking forever. What do you think about this, chat? Would you watch my stream if I go, if you do late stream, like around in 2 hours again, if I go live in 2 to 3 hours again? Or once the level hits, but I don't think it's gonna hit in the next 1 or 2 hours. What do you think about this? What are you trading? But I'm trading micro ES futures on my funded accounts. If crude can get above 96, equities are in trouble, yeah. But actually, I don't know, oil went up so much, chat, like... Oil went up like crazy, it's absolutely absurd. And we hit the weekly here to the dollar as well at 118. This was a weekly that was hit. Let me quickly show you oil. Let me quickly show you that. So this is, by the way, chat, you can go in my Discord. This was a free signal, a free trade, not a signal, a free analysis that I shared. We actually longed oil at 55 as a swing trade. Obviously, I didn't hold this as long because this would have gone up to 24-hour, this trade, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, we look at this. We did hit the weekly here. Wait, I'll move this. I didn't want to move that. We did hit the weekly here to the dollar. So this is a really strong resistance level actually for gold, for oil. So if we actually go up here again, then that's really bullish. And I mean, a break above this weekly would be insane on oil. So you can look at this. So if you break above 120, this is insanely bullish. But right now, I don't know. I don't want to long this here. This is way too late to look for a long. Way too late. But you can go into the Forex analysis on Discord. You can see that I actually posted this trade back then. But this was an insane swing trade, chat. An insane swing trade. But I didn't hold it to the highs, obviously. That would be crazy. If someone actually held that, that would have been insane. Yeah, now we're dumping again. Guys, I'm gonna call it a day here. Well, not a day. I might go live later once he hit the trade, but I don't want to stream like for 2 hours and wait for a trade. That's just gonna be boring. So I'm gonna take a break here. Really boring day. It is what it is, chat. I cannot change it. Today was just really boring to stream as well for me. I hope tomorrow, if we see a late night stream, that we can have some action here. But streaming like this is kinda boring. Like, I'm just waiting here. And I've been live 2 hours already. The Hormuz Strait is going to be a problem for equities. See you, bro. Thanks for the day. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Guys, today was really annoying for me as well. Like, I missed a really insane trade, a really insane long. And I don't want to rush into any trades here. I want to wait for my entries. So you might see a stream later, or if not, guys, I will be live tomorrow again at the same time. I'm gonna be live tomorrow again, and on Friday the big giveaway. We're gonna do the big giveaway on the stream. So Friday everyone has to join the stream as well. We have 30 people. Let me see, 30 people in the giveaway right now. So I'm gonna show you who's in the giveaway. These are all the people in the giveaway right now. You can see your names here. I hope you saw your name here. I'm gonna show you all the names quickly. These are all the people in the giveaway, and on Friday we're gonna choose 10 winners out of all these people in here. So this number is gonna go up until Friday, probably to like 50 to 100 people. And out of all these people, we're gonna give to 10 different people, we're gonna give a 150k account, 15k account on FundedNext. So this is the goal. On Friday I'm gonna choose all the winners, and please, everyone that is in here, be active in the Discord, because FundedNext will check in the Discord if you are active. So make sure you actually are active every day, like post your analysis in Discord and stuff like this. But everyone that is in here is already in the giveaway, and on Friday we're gonna give away 10 accounts. So you have an insane like chance of winning right now. We have 31 people in the giveaway now. So we're giving away 10 accounts to 10 different people, so you have a really big chance of winning, chat. Really big chance of winning. Alan, you're not in the giveaway. You need to type this right now. You typed it wrong. You need to type it like this. Giveaway. Let me see if we pull up now. Let's see. There we go. Alan, you're in now as well. So this is important, chat. So on Friday we're gonna give away 10 accounts here on stream. But I'm gonna take a break now. I was live for 2 hours, chat. Kinda exhausted as well. Really boring day though. Sorry about this, but it is what it is. Alright, maybe we're still gonna find a trade today. You never know, chat. Maybe I'm still gonna hit one of my limit orders. Yeah. Alright, see you tomorrow same time. I'm gonna post the live stream on Discord as well and on X chat.